So to say 2020 has been an interesting year would probably be a gross understatement. But if there's one thing that I've learned the past 8 months as the year finally and mercifully comes to an end, it's how much I'm relying on my phone. All my communications are being done online. It's how I talk to my grandparents. It's how I hold my meetings, how my kids do school, how I can talk to friends. It has become my one device for everything in my life. And with that has come a lot of new apps that weren't there before. You've got Zoom, WhatsApp, Telegram, Teams, Hangout, Meet. All these apps sort of come together at once, and sometimes finding the right app when you need it can be tough. And especially on Android, when you've got different launchers, different home screens, it can be tough to sort of find one unified way to view all of your stuff. So I set out to try to find a way to simplify that process, to make it powerful, simple, and elegant. And that led me to AppStacker. And I've used at this point every launcher available, but what AppStacker is doing is so new and novel. It was such a breath of fresh air. It's allowed me to organize my apps based on my new sort of lifestyle that I have now online, and also give me customized folders for each app type and location. So now I can find that critical app really easily without having to go through what is sometimes an exhaustive search by using the overlay feature. And I can also customize the home screen by adding my organized stacks as widgets. It lets me share all my folders and customized views, including backing them up with all of my Android platforms and devices. So experience is always going to be the same and really easy to use. And perhaps one of the coolest things it does is the Smart Stack feature, which takes advantage of geolocation and machine learning. If I'm at my studio, it knows the apps I'm going to need while I'm filming. If I'm at home, it's gonna know the apps I'm gonna need for home. It's smart and it's adaptable. And I think most importantly, it adapts to me and what I need, instead of having to adapt myself to what the app needs. So give AppStacker a shot. You guys are really going to enjoy it. It's actually available right now in the Google Play Store.